We were really excited to work with Future Fashion Factory and Huddersfield University to work on this project.
Been working with them for several months now, coming over on a regular basis to have a look at how they work, looking at the studio setup, looking at how garments go through the manufacture process and assessing from a number of different angles how things are made.
I'm Steph McGrath, I'm Managing Director of Something Wicked. Here at Something Wicked we manufacture everything in-house and it's something we're really proud of. It's something that we want to keep and expand on and grow.
This project that we've been doing for Future Fashion with Something Wicked is all about us trying to help and support Something Wicked in growing their production, growing their manufacture lines and just generally looking at ways in which we can help them to develop the company in relation to their speed of production, their quality of production and their quality of making garments.
There's less and less production happening in the UK, certainly in lingerie. So when we got the opportunity to work with Claire, with the Future Fashion Factory to look at our manufacturing process, it meant that we were able to look at what we're doing and how we can take that further. So it's something that's really important to us.
We've been looking very much at things like the speed of production, the machinery that they use, looking at where we can have points of intervention where we can maybe bring in other machinery for them to use instead, maybe more digital, more advanced machinery that might help and improve the quality and make of what they're producing.
So for example, in terms of patterns, we have always worked with paper patterns.
A lot of these patterns were then being used to trace off when people were doing cutting out, and there's a little bit of paper or pattern being taken off every time this was happening.
Working with Claire meant that we could have a look at ways of doing it digitally, so there's less room for human error, it's more streamlined, it's a more efficient way of doing things and more accurate as well.
We've also come in and looked at the way it's laid out, where things are positioned in the factory, just to try and see if we can again help them increase capacity.
Previously, with the machines that we had at the start, to do one particular garment you might have to swap and change onto 2 or 3 machines, but with new machinery that we've tried, all those processes can be done on the same machine, which ultimately saves a lot of time. Other functions that we've seen a huge benefit already from the digital machines are the threads are cut automatically, which again saves time and is more consistent and neater on the finished garment. Another feature is that the bobbin thread picks up automatically. Again, it's just all those time-saving bits of the production process, which when you add it all up means that it's a lot more streamlined. All these things together mean that we are geared up now and ready to sort of expand our production process and the manufacturing side of things. So it's a really exciting time and we're really, really grateful to have been part of this amazing project.